Ignusa, it was called by the Greeks, Sardo by the Canaanites, Sandaliotis or Griophelps, Sardinia, an island with as many stories as names, as many mysteries, sunk into the cobble and set of the atavistic settlements strewn across its breadth. Settlements like Gravois, a village distraught by its shadowed past, taken up by its own secrets. Whispers thicken the atmosphere. Streets ebb and bleed with the low disquiet of generations, a rolling fold of observance and abased shame. Old rites pervade here, chief among them a carnival with as many names as this island, as many rites as stones in an orage, Lucinata, Sol Invictus, Yule, St. Lucy's Day. Saturnalia, the celebration of the winter solstice, the birth of a new sun, the death of the past. Feast and revelry abide in unrepentant chaos, masked abandon, animal ritual, a terpsichore of release and revelation. Release and revelation. All of us have secrets. Every one of us, an invisible world, a feint, an implication, a dance of haze and shadow, endless with silent stories tamped and shuddered and strangled within. How many are woven into the wretch and hollow of this island, the berm and crush of this town? How many secrets beset those who mill its lanes and sidle unhalted through the closing of an age? What were they to seek out and face the truth sunken into the stone of this town? What would they find? What will we find?